I made a thread holder out of driftwood. I hope you like it. I found this driftwood on the local beach and I think I want to hang it vertical. Try to make the color arrangements really nice as well. So my plan is to drill holes that fit the size of these twigs. I have different size drill bits. Cut them to size, put them in, and hang it on the wall. We'll give it a try. So all of them are drilled. I don't think I want any more than this. Maybe I'll just put up my most used colors. So I have some wood glue here. And I'm gonna glue each single one in. And since they are fitted to the hole that I made, I'm gonna take one at a time. I just need to wait and probably clean up my mess. Oh well. So I'll be back when it's all dry and I've cleaned all of this up a little bit.
Hallo, hallo. Hej, Tekis. Hej, Atle, bliv. Hej, hej.
made a thread holder out of driftwood for my office. This one right there. And I love it.